Let's take a look at how I created my custom group of stains. The easiest way that I found to do this is to locate the stain chart that you want, download it from the internet, and then import it into SketchUp. Once we've done that, we'll create a sample material, and we don't have to worry about calling it anything at this point. It's now in your model, and we can edit it. Use the match color on screen, and let's say that we want to do the nutmeg. And we have a choice of nutmeg on red oak or nutmeg on white oak, so I'll do the red oak. And so when you're picking the sample, you have to be careful, because if you sample the grain, you'll get a darker color than if you sample in between the grains. So pick the color that you think is most representative. We can now call this nutmeg. Right mouse click and save it back to our library. I'm already at a place where I can save this. Let's create a new folder and call it Custom Stains. Okay, let's go on to the next one. We'll edit this nutmeg again, but let's choose a different color. We'll go with Colonial Maple. That looks about representative. Change the name. And save it into your library again. And you keep doing that for all the stains that you want. So you could create different stain groups for the different manufacturers you have, and then use those inside your material library. Let's take a look at the finished result. So what I ended up doing was, in our common folder, I moved my stains and I called it Minwax because that's the color chart that I was using. Inside there are all my stain colors. I'll copy that folder and go into the color and stain group, and that's the one that we'll use in our component options. So I'll show you that in a minute. And right now I've got a shortcut for the solid colors, and I'm going to paste the shortcut for my Minwax group. Okay. Take a looking now at our palette. We'll go down to our finishing material. In the color and stain, I've now got a Minwax group, which is the shortcut folder, and all of my colors inside of there. That's it. Thank you for watching.